Well, moving on, Tata Power too is a big mover in trade today, clocking in robust gains after the Q1 numbers. Brokerages as well remain upbeat on the stock. We caught up with Praveer Sinha, MD and CEO of Tata Power, to understand what are the company's future plans. Listen in to an excerpt of this conversation.
First of all, let me try to break this into two parts. The first is the consistent performance that the company has done in this quarter, especially under very trying conditions. This was the most challenging phase for the company, and we have been able to sustain our operations, and thanks to our team members who have been able to perform very well. And all our businesses, all our plants, all our units have done exceedingly well, and they have given a good result for this quarter. So that's the first part of it. The second is about various steps that the company has taken. The first big step was the announcement of InVIT, wherein all our renewable businesses, we will be moving to the InVIT, and that way we will also deconsolidate our balance sheet, which we had been wanting to do for quite some time. So that is one big step, and it also gives us an opportunity to grow manyfold in next few years. So that's the first big step that we took. The second big step that we have taken is about the merger, which the board approved yesterday, that some of our entities which were standalone, we have merged with Tata Power, especially the solar factory where we produce solar panels and also do the EPC. We have a very healthy order book of nearly 9,000 crores, so that gets merged into Tata Power. Similarly, the CGPL, which has been a loss-making unit, and while we have done a lot of corrections in reducing the under-recovery, we wanted to merge so that it gets the support of the parent in access to funds for future operations. So I think these are the two big things that have been announced. Of course, there has been much better clarity now in terms of our growth vehicles that we would be doing. We have plans to grow in our renewable business, which we have already articulated earlier. And also we have plans to grow in some of the new business areas like EV, rooftop solar, home automation, ESCO services. Along with this, the distribution business will also grow, where we went and took over the Orissa distribution during COVID period. And I think that will be an area where we will be growing. There are more opportunities coming in Orissa and other parts of the country, and we'll be participating in that. And of course, our plan for deleveraging by divestment that continues. And even during COVID period, we could conclude and get the money for two of our assets, and we continue to pursue that.
All right. Well, that's of course Tata Power for you. But